Yeah, no, so yeah, okay, I was just wondering, right? Like, okay, I hope you don't mind, but I know you've been using the products for about like over a year now, so I was just like wondering whether like what is your experience using them so far now?
Okay, before this, I have a really bad dandruff, oily scalp, and also hair fall problem.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so before this also I need to wash my hair like twice a day, so it's
Okay.
really become a problem lah for me. So after I'm using the herbal shampoo and also the citrus serum, it's actually helped me a lot. Okay,
Oh.
my dandruff problem become okay, my hair fall problems is gone now, and it make me more relaxed and sleep well in night, which is I don't have any headache and all that. So
Uh-huh.
after I myself consume this product, I've been introducing to my family itself.
Oh, okay.
So my mother was consuming it too, which is very good. So that's why I buy so much of them every
Okay.
time.
Alright, alright.
That's why.
Okay, 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 got it, got it. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you
Okay,
so
you're
much.
welcome.
Right, okay.